Reviewing here the Blundstone safety boots in dark brown, made from oil-tanned leather. They are resistant to oil, acid and organic fats, with a heat-resistant sole. Right out of the box, they feel durable yet lightweight. Paired with workwear or casual jeans, these boots fit the look. The ergonomic toe design making them comfortable for long hours. Walking around, the cushioning in the heel absorbs the shock well, while the steel shank provides extra support. After 2 years of daily use in the workshop and paint room, they show noticeable wear, but the structure and comfort are still top. Perfect for demanding work environments, and they fit true to size. No surprises there, tough, comfortable, and built to last.